dare you call me a shoplifter?
Akala mo madadaan mo ko sa pa-English mo at peking pa-sosyal mo? Mukhang mamahalin nga yung damit mo, pero sigurado ako, Class A lang yan. Kunwari, mayaman para hindi halatang magnanakaw. Pero sigurado ako, madami ka nang naposlip dyan sa bag mo.
This is terrible. You want to check my bag? By all means, call the guards. Provided you do the search in the right process.
Tapang mo ah. Patingin nga ako ng bag mo.
Wait a minute. Where's your manager? I'll have to report you to the manager because of your very inappropriate behavior.
Gaga ka pala eh. Gusto mo akong i-report eh. Ako ang asawa ng may-ari ng supermarket na to.
Really? I'm sorry, you don't look like one. And you definitely don't act like one. Hindi ko yung tipong papatulan ng lalaking sinasabi mong asawa mo. But anyway, you wanna check my bag? Let me help you.
Hindi na. Plastikada ka. Kaya ko na to. Guard! Guard, huliin niyo to! May shoplifter dito! Shoplifter to!